Good morning guys. Today is December 20. Tama ba? Yes, December 20. Malapit na magpasko. Time check is 10. Nakaligo na ako. Say good morning. Good morning, macho. Good morning. Ngayon ang alis nila live. Papuntang Geelong. Then bukas, punta na sila ng Tasmania. So, magluto tayo ng breakfast. Bumili si Jan ng bread. Ang ganda ng weather. Nakaligo na pala tayo, guys. Naglagay akong dito lip tattoo. Dasik itong aking lipstick. And available din siya sa Chona's Kitchen. Sa curry shop ko. Link. Nandyan lang yung link, guys, sa description box ng curry shop ko. Lagi siya nandyan.
Mommy, could you make me a crumpet?
Yeah, I will. Okay, I'm gonna cook now. Kasi... Yan si Tony. Morning, Tony!
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Tea time.
Tea time na siya. O, sige, magluto na tayong breakfast. Nilagay ko na parang yung bacon dito sa air fryer. Si Jan, tsaka si Zach, magka-crumpet sila, and si Holly. Minamando niya si Tito Tony sa kanyang tea kasi nadidiri siya kasi sabi ni Tito Tony, made of ano daw yan. Ay, sorry, yung mga dahon-dahon. So, you like it, Holly? You don't, do you like the smell? No? So, ayan, mag-crumpet si Jan and magluto tayo ng kanin. Kasi si Kuya and si Zach. With what? Vegemite?
Just reckon that smells.
Yeah, ako na.
Is this what you used to? You better bloody become a professional golfer.
Nagbe-breakfast na yung mga bata ng crumpet. And si Jan, nakakain na rin siya ng isa. And meron pa ditong dalawa. Naka-ano siya? How many crumpets did you have? Two. Tapos dalawang toast. Ayan kay Sir Tony. Bacon and egg. Hindi. Inintay niya to kasi.
Buti nga hindi.
Paalis sila. May bisita naman tayo. Rylan, hello. Hi, Hunt. What happened to your lips?
May bisita din siya.
What happened to your lips? Who's my kiss? How are you? Say hi to Pa. Ay, hi to Pa. Hi to Johnny. Ayan, alis na sila. Say, oo. See you, Dai. Enjoy Tasmania. Yeah. Everyone. Bye, Ton. Thank you for coming. No worries. Enjoy Tasmania and drive carefully, okay? You gained 5 kilos in 2 nights.
Mag-holiday kasi nandito.
Oo, dito na lang daw siya. Nandito sila, Dad, oh. Nakalis na sila, Lai, and sila naman.
See you tomorrow. You're staying at home tomorrow night?
Yeah, si Dad alis na. And binigay ko sa kanya, kasi ayaw na ni Tony. Kay Tony yan, binigay ko na lang kay Dad yung liqueurs kasi hindi naman kayo kumakain yan. Si Dad gusto niya yan na lollies.
And I'm not. Oh, look at it.
Yeah. Ayan na sila. Pinahinto ko na yung... Kasi may dala si Hunter na Nintendo tsaka iPad. Tapos nag-PS. Sabi ko tama na. Labas na sila maglaro. Kasi maganda yung weather sa labas. Ayan sila. Wala kaming sleeping slide. Meron silang improvise.
Wait, do I buy this?
Babe!
Look, Hunter, I got this. Rylan, come on, let's go find shirt.
Ayan. Maglalagay sila dyan ng soap. Tapos, yung hose, ayun. Then, mag-slide sila dyan maya-maya.
Yeah, Dad. The pickup.
Grab that corner.
Why?
Pickup big.
Grab that corner.
Yeah.
Pull it around so it's straight. Not that corner.
That corner.
That corner. And move the hose.
You need a little...
Mom, where's their suitcase?
The what?
Hunter should have a suitcase.
Oh, Pa has it.
Hey, we brought it all in there. We brought it in.
Si Zach kumuha ng bricks para magstay yung kanilang... Ano nga ito tawag sa atin? Trapal? Ayan si Hunter dyan, si Holly. Nakapagpalit na si Holly.
One more.
Just be careful not to hit your head here, okay?
Grab the sprinkler
Cut here.
and just set it up.
Hand, remove your clothes now, love. Si Sak. Where you get this from? Wow, wow. Oh,
Get the sprinkler so I can just water it.
yeah.
Everyone hop off it.
Hop off. Mainit kasi ngayon.
Oh, Dad, look.
So we don't need a sleeping slide. Yeah, we can just use this one kasi gusto nila akong bumili sa Big W. Nung isang araw hindi ko man nabili. Ito okay na to, mas malaki pa.
Small one on Dad because the big one.
Kuya, we don't need sleeping slide. This is better.
Yeah.
Ayan na guys. Kunin nila yung dishwasher soap para dumulas yan. Okay. Okay. Kunin nila yung sabon ko sa ano ba? Zachary.
Is that yours?
Sak. Sabon ko sa ano, sa plato para dumulas yan. O, lagyan nila ng sabon. Okay. Oh! Just be careful not to hit your head on that brick. Okay.
Hunter!
Hunter! Pa is calling you. Nadala ni Dad yung ano, umalis na si Dad. Nadala ni Dad yung kanyang luggage. Han, get your luggage. From Pa. Yeah, it's alright. It's a lady bag.
Here, go past.
Go to Pa.
Stop the sun, Hunter boy.
Yeah, so no.
Put your arms in first. Go!
Go! Lucky. Wala kasi siya pang swimming. Ayan na yung dishwasher soap. Dishwasher soap natin.
Here, put it here.
Ayan. Not too much ya, ha?
Go.
Go! Go! Go!
I'm going.
Sak, where's your ano?
Go, fast. Look out.
Oh, just be careful. Go, kuya! Go. Just be careful with the bricks. Oh, you got it right. Okay, Daddy. Sak, put your top, please. Because the sun. Papalitan na yung damit ni ano ni Rylan kasi nandito na yung ano nila damit. That's enough of soap for now, ha?
It's on the trip. Okay.
Kunin lang yung boogie board. Ah, kuya, straight it up. Straight it. See, that's better than sleeping slide.
Get the basketball. Where's the basketball?
Okay, share. Whoa. Oh. Go, ha. I go, Ryle. Go. Just be careful with the bricks, ha. Kuya, you watch, ha. Oh, careful.
Go, Rylan.
Go, Ryle. Go. Oh. Oh, careful with the bricks.
Yeah, watch the bricks.
Go in the middle. Kuya, watch the bricks, okay? Put it on the side. Oh!
Oh, that was a spinner one.
Oh, just be careful. Okay, Holly. Holly, there's a brick, okay? Yan na, masaya na sila dyan. Kuya, you watch them, kuya, ha? Kuya! Mag-edit ako. Nag-edit ako eh. Ang gasaya nila, oh. Ah. Hi, just be Tyron. I'm gonna edit. Watch them, ha, the bricks. Oh! Tingnan niyo yung ginawa ng mga bata. Oh my God! Nagubad na sila. Tingnan niyo yung basketball. Yung net ba? Tingnan niyo yung ginawa. Tingnan niyo yung ginawa nila. Ayun. Hinang nila dito. Kasi di ba nasira na to? Pinasok nila dito. Ayan, ginawa nila. Di ba? Napaka-clever. And tapos na pala yung dalawa. Coconut, what?
Free. Could May and Rylan have a coat?
Coke, no. No, no Coke. Just be careful, kuya, ha?
Mom, watch this.
Just be careful with that bricks, okay? Di pa ako nakakapag-edit. Sabi ko mag-edit ako, di ba? Oy! Oy! Careful! Yung dalawa na uhaw.
Let's have a drink.
Do you want some chips, right?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Alright. Which one do you want? Do you want chisels? And Holly, what do you want? Steve?
Could I have please?
Which one you want?
Fried chips.
Fried chips. Okay, you eat it here, you too, okay?
Okay, let's go at the table.
Table? No, you can sit here with Ryan. Okay. Gonna say?
Okay.
Oh, welcome, love.
I can open mine.
Eh, naghuhugas pala ako ng mga pinagkain. Ako hindi pa ako kumakain. Pumasok na, tapos na sila. You can open yours?
I'm forgetting my chips.
No worries. You're a vampire.
Thank you.
Cute. I don't put a smile. Look at this one. Good. Ang guwapo.
I got some.
What do you want for dinner tonight? Rice? You want rice? You don't eat rice? Why?
He only eats a tiny bit. He can eat fried rice.
Fried rice? We don't have fried rice. Rice, bacon. You want bacon and eggs? Or hot dogs?
You want hot dogs? I want only egg because I love egg.
Ah, egg.
And do you want
Okay.
some bacon? Just a tiny bit of bacon?
Kasi very picky sila sa pagkain.
Yeah, tiny bit. He wants
Okay.
a tiny bit of bacon.
Okay. So I'll cook.
I want egg. I want the same as.
Ryan, how about hot dog? Filipino hot dog.
I'll have egg, bacon, and
Filipino hot dog. Okay. I will get the Filipino hot dog out from the freezer. Boys, dinner tonight, hot dog. Filipino hot dog.
God, everyone just picked hot dogs, and I just picked bacon and the cheese. Another tire. Are you see my eyeball? I got no. You got serious eyeballs.
Okay, this one. I'm
I
gonna
can
try this
see.
one.
I can see.
You can see?
I got.
So, ito yung hot dog para mamaya.
Oh my God! Look at your face. I think you need to wash your face after. Okay. I don't care. I got a lot to eat.
Nag-edit na pala ako. And yung mga bata nandito na. Si Rylan na yan, naka-iPad. Yung mga boys, naglalaro ng PS. And meron kaming super duper. Ayan, nag-edit tayo. Time check is 1:57. Ayan sila. Init sa labas, oh. Nagpahinga muna sila. Baka mamaya balik din yan, mga bata sa labas. For Hunter, pineapple.
Oh my God.
What's wrong? And tingnan nyo yung lips. Hunter, show your lips. Tingnan nyo yung lips niya. Kinakagat niya, guys. Kaya tingnan nyo yung lips niya. Si Sak, before si Sak, yung lower lip ni Sak nung bata. Pero ngayon natanggal niya na yung gawain niyang yun. Ganyan din, namamaga. Nilalagyan ko nito, yung kanya. Oh. Meron tayong Carmex. Put this one after you eat that one, okay? Kasi ang pula-pula. Okay, mag-edit muna ako. Ayun, lumabas yung magkamuka. Magkamuka raw sila, sabi ng ibang tao. Oy, close the door, Baba! The fly! Come on! Close the door, Baba! Dito na ulit sila. Mag-alas 3 na. Mauubos na nila yung aking panghugas sa plato. Okay, just a little bit. Mag-alas 3 na ba? I think so. Alas 3 na ata. Tapos ako mag-edit, ha?
Yeah, full bottles?
Yeah, that one. Dito ulit sila. Mainit na malamig ang hangin. Tapos yung tubig na yan, parang yung ice, guys. So, nagsawa sila maglaro sa loob. So, dito naman sila. Enjoy na enjoy yung magkapatid. Pati yung magkakapatid, sila TJ. Lahat sila enjoy.
Thank you, Mom.
No worries.
What's the
Close, huh? Hot dogs.
Okay, we're playing rugby. Basketball. Okay. The ball is more slippery. Just need to wet it a bit. Okay, now it's slippery.
Oh, careful. Improvise talaga yung, ang galing ng improvise nilang sleeping slide. Trapal. Ayan, lumabas na si Araw. Maya-maya pa yung ano ko, vlog. Kasi, start pa lang yung mag-upload. Papasok na ako. And, kumain pala sila ng grapes. Ito yung nabili natin. Ayan na lang yung natira, oh. And, ubos na yung apple juice. Ilagay ko na to sa, recycle bin. Okay, mag-ayos lang ako dito. Ang cute ni Holly, oh. Are you done? Guys, mag-aalasin ko na and napagod si Rylin kaka. Sleeping slide sa labas. Ayan. Tulog ang baba. O, pagod yan. Oh, meron din siyang birthmark, oh. Kaya tulad kay Tita Chona. Tulog siya talaga. Naglalaro sila ni Holly ng iPad. Nakatulog na siya. Niluluto ko na pala yung hotdog. Matagal na to hindi natikman ulit ni Hunter. Tsaka ni Rylan. Si Rylan first time niya ito matitikman. Pero si Rylan very picky. Itlog lang daw yata sa kanya. So, ipatry ko to kay Rylan. Pero si Hunter gusto ang hotdog. So, yeah. Medyo ano sila sa pagkain. Kaya, simple lang ang ating dinner. For the kids, si Jan, yung leftover na corned beef, magsasandwich lang si Jan kasi diet daw siya. Diet. Guys, ito na yung dinner ng mga bata. Meron tayong hotdog and bacon. And yung eggs, ayan na. Si Jan daw. Kakain din daw siya with eggs. So, ito yung sa mga bata. Oh, here. Okay. You're starving. This is yours, yeah? The biggest box? Yes. Which one yours? This one? The big one? Sabi ni Jan, mamaya ko na magising si Rylan. Hi, Hunter! Come on! Ito kay Holly. Mamaya na kay Rylan. Rylan. This is yours, love.
I want the pink one.
Oh, no. It's alright. Yes, you want bacon? Yeah, I got more bacon if you want. Holly, here's yours. Oops!
Thanks.
Welcome. Siya yan. Magko-corn beef yan mamaya. Siya na raw gagawa. Pero ayan, egg and sandwich muna siya. Ayan sila. Si Kuya laging naglalagay ng sauce all over the rice and sa kung ano mang ulam niya. Ayan si Hunter. You want more bacon? I have more bacon. Okay. Eat your rice, please. Si Rylin, guys, ayun, tulog pa rin doon. Pangalawang roundly sack. And si Hunter, pag kumakain, inuuna niya yung rice. Ubos na yung unang bacon, then rice. Tapos, tinanong ko siya kung kakainin yung hotdog. Sabi niya, unahin niya lang daw muna yung rice. Just eat that first. Good? You like the hotdog? Na-miss niya. Did you miss the hotdog? Ha? Kasi before, dito rin, gustong-gusto niya yung hotdog. Pero yung regular, yung tender juicy, ito iba eh. Medyo may pagka-spicy. May pagka-spicy, pero gusto niya. Si Rylin, tulog pa gusto yun. And ang Johnny Boy ko, ayan siya, yung corned beef. Gustong-gusto niya ang leftover corned beef the next day na gawing sandwich. So, yan yung dinner niya. Very simple. With cheese. Dessert na siya. Yung ano to guys, yung nabili namin sa Queensland. Yung Lind. Just gonna show this, babe. Ayan. Sarap nito. Yan ang pinakamalaki nilang bar. Nice. Daddy, nice. Dito na sa labas yung mga bata after ng dinner. And si Ryle, no, he's still asleep, Baba. Ryle still asleep. Sabi ni John, wag ko daw gisingin. Sabi ko, wala na yung itutulog mamaya. Mag-aalas 7 na. Ito sila, Oh, no! Careful, Hunter! No, watch out! Not there, Zach. Just on the ground. Hit the ball on the ground, not on the trampoline. And Holly, away. Holly.
Don't hit it this way.
Yeah.
There, that way.
Pinapakain ko na pala siya. Kumakain siya ng hotdog. Hotdog lang muna.
You said she.
No, I said pinapakain ko na siya. Ginising ko na siya kasi wala na siya itutulog mamaya. I have more hotdog, love, okay? If you want more. Eat your rice and bacon. Wala na siyang egg. Kinain ni Tito dyan. Pero kumain naman siya ng hotdog. Meron pa ako dun dalawa. Antok na antok pa. Where's the boy? Still playing outside? Ating-ate siya. Yung mga boys, andun pa rin. Nag-hit sila ng golf.
No, they're not playing golf. They're
Cricket now. Cricket na.
tiny bit more, eat that much.
So you're again asking me the same question in a different way to get a different soundbite.
Okay, drink your orange. Ala, labo. Bakit malabo?
In line with
Lalabas daw sila after niyang kumain. Hindi niya naubos yung bacon, pero naubos yung rice and hotdog. Okay, drink this one, love.
I wanted to speak to you about the current affair episode calling us terrorists and home.
Because I think I